Very lovely pistachio green, richly coloured and textured old Chinese cabinet, which has been restored using traditional lacquering methods, and it's been cleaned up and it's been sympathetically patched with some reclaimed wood, and the original decoration of those coral flowers, the roses, the dahlias and the peonies, each feature as well. A very lovely bird on the doors. So such a pretty sideboard. Each of the two doors has these elegant, shapely, solid brass tab handles, and the cupboard, which has a divider here, doesn't go the length of the cabinet. They're two individual cupboards, each of which has a removable shelf. It gives capacious storage for a dining room or a living room, or perhaps a hallway to have a lovely statement piece in an entrance hall. And you can have a lot of fun with the colours in there, the deep greens and the corals and the ochre colours, as well as the pistachio itself, with which can be dressed with silver or lamps or some metallics. A very lovely green decorated sideboard.